How to delete conversation on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete conversation on Twitter. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Twitter and then click here this icon, and now go to the chat and then click this icon right here, and now all you need to do is just click this one here, delete conversation, and then click here delete, and as you see conversation has been deleted. And that's how I delete conversation on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.